Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best paint sprayers for cabinets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Tillswall HVLP paint sprayer, our budget-friendly pick at just $26.99. This sprayer is designed with beginners in mind, featuring a lightweight, ergonomic build that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Its intuitive controls and tool-free assembly make it a fantastic choice for first-time users. The streamlined design, paired with aerospace-grade materials, ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. Performance-wise, the Tillswall sprayer offers 2 nozzles and 3 spray patterns, allowing for versatile use on cabinets, furniture, walls, and more. The adjustable flow control knob is precise, letting you fine-tune the paint flow for a smooth, even finish. However, keep in mind that this sprayer works best with thinned-down paints, requiring a bit of extra prep time. While its 20 liters on sodium detachable cup is on the smaller side, it's easy to refill and clean. The Tillswall excels in affordability and ease of use, but its lower power output and smaller paint tank may not suit larger or more demanding projects. It's ideal for light DIY tasks or occasional use. If you're on a tight budget and need a reliable entry-level sprayer, the Tillswall is a solid choice. Pros: lightweight, beginner-friendly, affordable. Cons: lower power, small paint capacity. At number 4, we have the Mirazone paint sprayer, a high-power option for $49.99. With its 1,000-watt motor and adjustable spray width knob, this sprayer strikes a great balance between performance and precision. It's packed with features, including 4 brass nozzles and 3 spray patterns, allowing you to tackle a wide range of projects, from cabinets to larger surfaces like walls and fences. The design is compact yet robust, with a large 1,400 milliliter paint container that minimizes the need for frequent refills. Mirazone has also integrated safety features like double-layer insulation and a temperature protection fuse to ensure consistent, long-term performance. Cleaning is a breeze as the sprayer comes with a cleaning needle and brush, and the motor can be dismantled for thorough maintenance. While the Mirazone excels in power and versatility, its slightly heavier weight at 3 pounds could be a drawback for prolonged use. Additionally, beginners might find the advanced features a bit overwhelming at first. That said, if you're looking for a sprayer that delivers professional-grade results at a mid-range price, the Mirazone is a fantastic choice. Pros: high power, large paint capacity, durable build. Cons: heavier design, less beginner-friendly. Next up at number 3 is the Von Forn VF803 paint sprayer, priced at $49.99. This sprayer offers a 700-watt motor and a range of features that make it a versatile option for DIY enthusiasts. With 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, it's capable of handling everything from detailed cabinet work to broader projects like walls and fences. A unique addition is its blowing joint, which lets you clear dust and debris before spraying for a cleaner finish. The VF803 is designed for ease of use with tool-free assembly and a 1,200 milliliter paint tank that balances capacity and weight. The cleaning connector is a standout feature, allowing you to hook the sprayer directly to a faucet for quick and thorough cleaning. This reduces downtime and makes switching between paint colors hassle-free. However, the Von Forn sprayer's plastic build, while lightweight, may not feel as durable as some higher-end models. Its mid-range power is sufficient for most home projects, but might struggle with heavy-duty tasks. If you value convenience and versatility, the VF803 is a reliable and user-friendly option. Pros: easy cleaning, versatile nozzles, good capacity. Cons: plastic construction, moderate power. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Homeright C800971A Super Finish Max, priced at $62. This HVLP sprayer is a powerhouse for DIY enthusiasts who want professional-level results. With a 450-watt motor and 3 brass spray tips, it's designed to handle a wide variety of materials, including stains, sealers, and latex paints. The adjustable air cap allows for horizontal, vertical, and circular spray patterns, making it highly adaptable to different projects. The design is sturdy yet lightweight, with a 40 fluid-ounce paint tank that provides a good balance between capacity and portability. The brass nozzles are a significant upgrade over plastic ones, offering better durability and performance. Cleaning is straightforward with the included cleaning kit, and Homeright's US-based customer service and 2-year warranty provide added peace of mind. While it's a fantastic all-rounder, the Homeright sprayer might be overkill for smaller tasks and is slightly more expensive than other options on this list. However, if you're tackling medium to large projects and need a reliable, high-quality sprayer, this is an excellent pick. Pros: durable brass nozzles, versatile spray patterns, solid build quality. Cons: higher price, less ideal for small tasks. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the InnoCraft paint sprayer, priced at $69.99. This premium option combines power, precision, and convenience, making it the best choice for serious DIYers and professionals alike. The 600-watt motor delivers a smooth and consistent spray with minimal clogging or overspray. Its innovative magnetic base ensures a continuous paint flow even when spraying from unconventional angles. The InnoCraft sprayer comes with 3 brass nozzles and 3 spray patterns for maximum versatility. The 1,200 milliliter translucent paint container allows you to monitor paint levels easily, while the quick flush cleaning adapter makes maintenance a breeze. The included disposable bag for the paint tank is a game changer, allowing for quick color changes without leaving behind any messy residue. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the InnoCraft sprayer justifies its price with superior performance, thoughtful design, and a comprehensive cleaning kit. It's perfect for anyone tackling multiple projects or looking for a high-end tool that delivers professional results. Pros: powerful motor, innovative design, easy cleaning. Cons: higher price, heavier build. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.